Hello guys, my name is Ashri and welcome back to Gadgets 360. Booking a COVID-19 vaccine slot has been so far possible only on Aarogya Setu app, Cowin website and Umang app, all of which are Indian government's official portal. And it has been challenging for most of us to book vaccine shots online using these platforms. So to ease the process a little, Indian government has now allowed integration of Cowin with third-party apps. And Paytm and EkaCare are the first apps to provide vaccine booking facility in India. So you can use both of these platforms to book your vaccine shots in the country. But just remember, there is also now walk-in facility available for both government and private vaccination centers and even people above the age of 18 years, which means you can just go directly to your nearest vaccination center, maybe government or private, and get yourself immunized against COVID without booking a COVID-19 vaccine slot online. But just in case you are not able to get your vaccine shot offline without booking a shot online, then I think it's always best to book your shot. So in this video, I will quickly explain it to you and walk you through the whole process on how to use Paytm and EkaCare app to book your vaccine shots online. So to book a vaccine slot on Paytm, scroll down below and tap Vaccine Finder under Featured. Now enter your PIN code, choose your age group and select dose and tap Book Now. You will now be asked to enter the mobile number that you want to use. But remember, if you are taking second dose, then make sure you enter the mobile number that you used earlier to book your first dose. Then tap Continue. Now enter the OTP and tap Done. You will now see the slots that are available in your city and area. You can also use these options at the top, free, paid and Covaxin for better results. Then choose the suitable area and tap Book Now. You can then select a beneficiary or add a new member by tapping Add New. Now select the time and date to get vaccinated and tap Schedule Now, and your vaccine slot will be booked. You can also share this on WhatsApp to save this message. But you will eventually also receive an SMS on your number that your slot has been booked. First off, download EkaCare on your phone and get started with the app. Sign up with your mobile number and verify it with OTP. But remember, when I tried booking a vaccine slot on iPhone, I couldn't find the feature on the EkaCare app. So try to use an Android phone to book the slot. So once the app is ready, tap on Book Now option right at the top. You will now have to verify your mobile number and enter that and get OTP. You will now see your vaccine details, and if you have used your number to register someone else also, then you will find details of there. You can also add more members to book their vaccine slot by tapping Add Member at the top right corner. Now tap Book Appointment. Enter your PIN code, district name, city name or tap on Find Vaccination Centers. You can now choose a day that is available for vaccine slots from the top and select a center from this list. And when you're ready, just tap Select Center option at the bottom. Then choose a preferred time slot and tap Confirm Slot, and your vaccine slot will be booked. But if you wish to reschedule or cancel this appointment, then you can also use these options anytime. You will then receive an SMS on your number for your vaccine slot details. You can also use EkaCare app to download your vaccine certificate. I've made videos on that also, you can check that. And I've also made a video on how to edit your vaccine certificate using Arogya Setu app and CoWIN website. So you can check those videos and get all information there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video.